Guys, I kid you not, this thumbnail was made by AI within 1 minute. Now I used ChatGPT for it and just have a look at it. I'm no professional designer, and with AI, I'm like, I just try and test, and this is what I could make. And this is another thumbnail I made with AI, ChatGPT. And I'm gonna show you some more stuff which is gonna blow your mind. So I have this X monetization series going on another channel. So I gave it some prompts like I want to make a series. So well, it gave me some ideas. We'll go down to the thumbnails that it made, but before that I have to give you some context. So in the end we decided on this Cybertruck funded by X day one, starting the Cybertruck challenge and all. So after it gave me some YouTube upload material, some tags and all, I gave it this reference image. I gave it this one, you see, and I told it that use my photo to make Mr. Beast style thumbnails for video. And you can see even I didn't write the spelling correctly. I was in a hurry, and within like a minute, it gave me this one. Just have a look at it. Isn't that amazing? Like, where do you get these sorts of thumbnails unless you hire a thumbnail designer? And there are other solutions like one of 10. But anyways, ChatGPT, you can do more with it. You can use it for your study, you can use it for your research and all. One of 10 is also a good AI tool. I'll make a video on it later sometime, but check out this one. It gave me another variation, and all of these just take around 1 minute to make. And this is the next one for day 3. This is another variation of it, and this is another day 2 to 7. And you see this one, I like this one the most. You see, it's quite intense, shows some purpose. And what did I do to make this one? So you have seen the generations that I made before, but here I put the same very first thumbnail, and I wrote in this one, please remove day and also change the style. So it gave me this style. It removed the day from here, and also change the style to like more purple white sort of stuff. But anyways, I then asked it make another style and not colors change. I just wrote it in a hurry, and you can even see that sometimes my sentences are not accurate. But anyways, this is what it made for me. Like, isn't this impressive? And it just doesn't end here. I kept on making more um, with this. I liked the concept, so I made for another channel where I break down the YouTube CPM in Pakistan. I have another monetized channel in Pakistan. Now, this is the only prompt I gave it. Make a thumbnail for a video, my YouTube CPM in Pakistan, finance channel breakdown. Now for this, you can remove X and Cybertruck and add YouTube play like logo button and whatever you want. So I wrote YouTube like logo play button. So YouTube like, if I wrote YouTube, it would maybe not put this play button, but I wrote like YouTube like. So then I went on to make this one, and then this one. See, isn't it all interesting? Now, the thumbnail that you are gonna see for this video, it's also gonna be made with ChatGPT. I tried making with Grok, but it's not there yet. But Grok makes wonderful videos. It animates the um, pictures so beautifully. It has its own mind, and you can ask it to make it funny, serious, or all sort of stuff. We are gonna make a video on Grok, but ChatGPT. I've been using it, and I've been using a premium plan. Whatever it costs, it's worth it, as you have seen in this video. And also on this channel, I'm learning about AI. I'm gonna share it with you guys. And the most important thing, I'm not claiming to be an expert. As I explore AI and the horizons, and as I get to know about the news that matter and how I break it down, I'm gonna share it with you guys, and we are gonna make the best out of this opportunity of us being in this era where we can just like explore the horizons with AI. It's so fascinating. Just subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.